My name is Maxine Skipper. I'm the Change Practice Manager at Coles Group. We are wanting to change ourselves. We're wanting to make a difference, and it's signalled that we want to do something fresh. And so when I was looking at training, Earth to Mars really spoke to me because it was fresh. It was very much bedded in reality. And so whilst there's a future focus, there's still a piece of, can we actually do it now? And what are your own constraints? The content, the pace, and the energy was pitched incredibly right. I really appreciated the time that you and Andrew spent with me to understand the group, understand Coles Group, understand the why. So why we asked for the specific Embed the Thread training, why we asked for Earth to Mars in particular, and also what I found fascinating when we were talking about it was how to weave the Coles narrative and Coles language throughout the content. Andrew was incredibly engaging, hugely energetic. What I loved was he was able to read the room on the day. He was able to read certain characters who potentially, I think, it could have been naysayers or very cynical about it. And he was able to either move the conversation away or lean into it to really unpack what that was meaning for that person. I'm starting to see there's more of an avid interest in change. There's more of an understanding that change is not just comms and training. There is a whole piece about connecting the heart with the hand and the head. For me, if we're even talking about 3 of those things, let alone 2 of those things, we're already starting to see shifts. Now, if I go back to 4 months ago, prior to the session, no one talked about head, no one talked about heart, no one talked about hand. So the fact that we're starting to shift that dial, I go, we're doing the right things at the right time. It's been enjoyable to also watch our team members really thrive in the session. That was a moment of we've hit the nail on the head, but also, again, Andrew and yourself have nailed the tailoring. You know, you listen to where the organisation is at, what is currently happening in the organisation, and we're able to tailor it. And I just remember looking around the room and there's just those moments where you all but see everyone's nodding their head because everyone's agreeing, going, yes, that's right.